Hi there again, everyone. Josie here from Life at 50 and Beyond. Thanks for joining me here on my channel. I have a Dollar Tree haul for you all. If you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, please do subscribe. Click the subscribe button. Click the bell icon so that you will get notified whenever I upload new videos. And again, welcome to my channel, everybody. So let's get started. Spring isn't spring without the Dollar Tree flowers in our household. So don't you just love the way I kind of just bunch up this bouquet? Right? It can pass for even a bouquet for wedding. So anyway, let me just show you. I love the Dollar Tree peonies. Okay, I like this a lot. And this one here that I have on my counter here is the pink one, but I didn't get the pink one. I got the blush one. And I've noticed that they have this bigger blooms up top, and this will be perfect for a project. So I got two of them. And then look at this, guys. I have the hydrangeas, and they got them also in periwinkle or kind of purplish blue color, but I like this green hydrangeas a lot. So yeah, I got two of them. This is the first time I've seen this. This is a wildflowers. So yeah, I like this because they're also kind of orange yellow. They also have the pink ones, the kind of pale pink, and I didn't take those because that's not gonna work with the theme I'm working on. I'm kind of working on kind of like the yellowish orangey green stuff. That's the reason why I took this cattail in the yellow hue, because they come also in brown. Yeah, look at this. Isn't this lovely, everyone? Okay, so watch out for the next DIY on that. I also got this one here. It's a wall decal in my video where I created the farmhouse style frame, and I'm gonna be linking it up here. Please watch if you haven't seen that. And they do sell a lot of wall decals, and I'm really happy because they work out for any style. Actually, there are different styles there, but they're carrying more and more farmhouse style. And this one says enjoy the little things. They do half and half, so you just kind of stick them together. So I'm not quite sure yet where I'm going to place this, but for sure it's going to be on my upcoming project as well. I got this one as well. This I think this is a milk bottle. It says here since 1810. It's the dairy milk bottle, and I got this in 3 pieces. Okay, because I'm gonna be including this on an upcoming project. This bird, the artificial bird, and there are different colors of birds, and there are even ones with sequins or glitters on them. But I purchased this, and this more natural in color and more kind of a little bit more realistic looking than the other birds that I saw there. I also got this one here. I'm actually looking for the white one, but my Dollar Tree doesn't carry the white. They have the cobalt blue, this one, and then the black one, but this is the only gray one. I would have wanted 3 of white, but I could have settled for this color here, the gray color, but now they only have 1. So I'm gonna go to another store and see if I can find some more there. So by the way, you can find this at the station where they sell candles. I got this one, the table tennis, and 6 counts, and I was actually purchasing already the multi sizes in a pack. I think there are like 8 pieces, different sizes of styrofoam bowls, but I really wanted them in the same size, so I got this one. And I know I have some leftovers from my projects back in winter, and I'm probably going to be using those remaining ones with this one, okay, for an upcoming project. Okay, you know what I'm surprised to find at the gardening section? The S hooks, the metal garden hooks. I've never seen this before. I've always wondered when they're gonna come up with the Dollar Tree. When will they be selling S hooks? And I'm happy to say they are selling them now. So in the gardening section, I found this bamboo, kind of bamboo bush or tree in a small miniature container. So more for the projects that I'm making, I found this. I think these are like ashtrays, I believe, and I took 2 only. And I'm gonna try to see if it will work out also on the project that I'm thinking about. But yeah, this is again for another project. So this one I found where they were selling kitchen utensils, you know, so this is in the kitchen aisle. Okay, so I don't know really if this is an ashtray, but I know that this is an ashtray because there are 4 areas here where you can put cigarettes. But of course, there's nobody smoking in this household, so this is not for ashtray. Projects for frames. I'm so happy to find this one. They've been selling gold frames and silver frames, but I haven't seen them in this design, and it's very clean line for me. And this is gonna work out in this design that I'm making for our living and dining room. In some areas I can incorporate that, but this 5x7 frames, I got 6 pieces in order to complete that project that I'm talking about. Okay, I got this 4 frames here, this certificate of achievement frame, and I don't know if this is 11x14, to be honest. Let me just measure it. Yeah, it's 11 point, it's almost 12. And then this one here is 9. So it's like 11.25 by 9. So it's not necessarily 11 by 14. So yeah, so I purchased 4, and I have a project that's coming up, and it's for our kitchen area. So just stick around for that. Last frame that I purchased this because it really speaks to me, the colors, and Coffee and Friends make perfect blend. Isn't that cute? And there's a small donut here, and this is the color that you will see predominantly in our house and of course in our kitchen. Although we prefer tea, we do still drink coffee. So yeah, this will be perfect near our coffee station. Well, I got this 2-inch number stencil, and this is the way that it'll look like, the shape. So I'm going to be doing a little bit of stenciling. It will have some numbers and letters. I was looking for something for the letters. I couldn't find one, but I think I may have something in my stash. And I found a lot of stickers, and they're planner stickers, and I don't know if I've seen anybody hold this style, because I think in the past we see them in big long sticker sheets, but this one, instead of longer, they're just a little bit wider, and I haven't seen, some of them look familiar or similar to the ones that I hold before, but some of them are entirely different. For example, this one here has 40 pieces here, but I haven't seen this style before. Love the colors, and I use them for kind of sort of doing scrapbooking, and I'm going to be showing you what I have as far as scrapbooking in one of these days. I bought 2 of this style, so let me just show you, because this one is covered by some writing here or label. So let me just show you, because I haven't really seen this or touched this. So okay, so oh wow, okay, so yeah, just like the other one that I mentioned, the longer one, it's a cardstock material. So it's not the glossy thin style, so I like it a lot when I'm creating cards or flip books, or yeah, or just decorating my scrapbook. So yeah, here it is. Let me know in the comments down below if you want to see some videos where I decorate my memory keeper. I've utilized a lot of my Dollar Tree stickers, so yeah, I really like this a lot. So if you want to see here, okay, so they're the same. So let me just show you the other ones as well. This one too, Life's a Party, I got 2 as well. And this one, because you'll never have enough of them, and then once I want to go back for they'll be all gone. So I just want to get 2 while I can get my hands on them. But I don't get everything because, you know, I want others to have them as well. So yeah, I haven't had this style before. Again, the colors are pretty. The colors that I like are the mint green here, turquoise or teal color. Yeah. And then this is the one that I'm talking about that looks similar to what I've gotten before because of the color, but I don't know if it's exactly the same designs. They may be just similar but not exact same. So you just open it. All of these are 40 pieces in a set. Yeah. And you can find them, of course, where they sell the stickers, the sticker aisle. I love this color as well. Yep. So those are the stickers. Stickers that are butterflies, and they're kind of like 3D style. They call them the pop-up stickers, and they're 9 in each. I bought this one where predominantly are blue, and then this one is more like brownish or orange in color. So I got them as well because I do make greeting cards. Let me know if you want to see some of those projects where I create, or some process videos to create cards. I've done some simple ones and I'm delving into die cuts. I got this one as well, and those of you who've been following me here on my channel know that I love the Traveler's Notebook. And this size, I think this is more like an A5 size if I'm not mistaken, similar to the one that I made a tutorial on, the Glam A, actually a Glam A5. I'm sorry, it's not it's not A5 but A6. A Glam A6 cover that I have a tutorial on, which is I'm linking here. So you can use this as inserts as well. The pages are thin and they're just the regular ruled pages, but I like the design. It looks like it's for someone who loves dogs, and we do love dogs. Yeah, 40 line sheets, and it's a 4 by 6. Yeah, so it's perfect for those of you who are carrying Traveler's Notebook. The one that I created a tutorial on, and this only cost me roughly $3, and I purchased this from, I think, Marshall's before, but yeah, it's kind of similar size. Yeah, it'll fit here. So now I have some things, and I use this as my brain dump whenever an idea I'm working on. Also, I'm kind of doing some planning or sketching my next DIY. This is what I use. So this is something that is always with me. Okay, so I purchased this. This is the second time I purchased, because the one that I've been using is blue. This one kind of came off, but I really like this because it's really good on my scalp. Oh, this is my favorite color. Yep. And I also got this, a Veggie Brush. Because we've been eating a lot more vegetables, more so now. So I'm going to be using this to clean up the vegetables. This because it's in their Easter section where they have the Easter bunnies and all of that. And this is a small size. I just like this color. It comes also in yellow and pink, and I believe green, okay, and purple. So the spring color. Thanks a lot again for joining me here on my channel. Please click subscribe, like, and comment down below. Have a great day, everybody. Talk to you in my next video. Bye-bye.